there's two spaces from here to here. That is the anterior cavity, or no, anterior chamber. And then this one is the posterior chamber. A little tiny small part right here. This is the iris. This is the iris. Oh, let me switch there. I'm writing it in. So we'll do here. That's the iris. And then this is the ciliary bodies. And then over here are the ciliary processes. So these frilly things here. And the ciliary body has the smooth muscle. So you can't see them here, but what would be coming out of there would be the suspensory ligaments. And this big pink thing is the lens. There's this big, large part, which is the vitreous chamber. And inside of it, what was inside? That jelly stuff.
Jelly.
Vitreous body is the jelly stuff that we scooped out. If you zoom in, you can't see it very clearly, but this section is the retina. And somewhere in the middle is the choroid, which is part of the vascular tunic, but you can't really definitely say that we saw that. What's this pink thing coming out the posterior? Optic nerve. And so this kind of area is the optic disc.